Hi, this is Kurt with Traverse Tool Company. Today we're going to talk about why you might want this hardness tester in your shop. So when you open this up, you'll see this chart up on top with very easy to understand instructions on how to use it. And it is very simple to use. It shows you the range in here on this chart of what the Rockwell hardness is. Let's go ahead and use it. To use this set, we're going to start with the one that has the highest Rockwell on it, and that's the black one. So we'll take that out. It's written right on here. It's got a Rockwell of 65. We're going to check our workpiece. It's definitely marking it. So we know that this is somewhere below 65. Here's carbon steel. So we're going to check that. Yep, that's leaving a mark there. Here's an old end mill. It's high-speed steel. So let's check that. And it's just sliding right across that. So it's not leaving a mark on that at all. So this end mill, this high-speed steel end mill, is somewhere over 65 Rockwell. I don't really know exactly how much, but I do know for a fact it's over 65. So now let's go to the next one down, going to the one that's 60 Rockwell. Let's start over again. So where's our mark? There it is. So we're going to put a mark next to it. And that's cutting this. I think this is chrome moly or something like that. I'm not sure. Here's our carbon steel. Going to check that. Yep, definitely filing that. So we know that these two pieces are somewhere below 65. So let's go to the next one. The green one is 55 Rockwell. I'm going to find a different place. Still marking it, not as easily, but it still leaves a mark. Let's try this one. That's marking that very easily. So we know they're below 65. I'm sorry, 55. Now let's go to 50. Still marks that a little bit. That marks it very easily. Let's keep going. Now we're looking at 45 Rockwell. And that's not marking. See how the file just slides right across it? So for this carbon steel, it's somewhere between 45 Rockwell and 50 Rockwell. So we know what that is. Let's try this chrome moly. Yep, that's definitely below, what did I say? Below 45. And we have one more, which is 40. Let's try that one. And it marks it very easily. So this chrome moly, not surprised here, is below, probably way below 40 Rockwell. So we don't know exactly what it is, but we know that it is below that. So now you can see how easy they are to use and how convenient this set is. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.